masking hidden character's body. So sometimes in animation, you come up with issues like penetration while animating, and in most cases, solving such problem is easier when you hide or mask a part of the character's mesh, and that is what this video is all about. Now, AYMultiCharacter version 2.0 had given you interesting options to mask part of your character's mesh, and I'm going to show you that by using this character as an example. So I'm going to go to the one piece where you have different outfits that can be changed. So I'm just going to go to 0 quickly to turn off the outfit, and this is the character. So it's a full character from head to toe. So to mask, you want to go under utilities. So I'm just going to scroll down, go to utilities, and under mask, I have mask for the upper body and I have for the lower body. So when you go 1 unit up for the upper body, you can see the torso part of the character is hidden. And if you keep going up, number 2 includes the shoulder of the character. Number 3, 4, and 5, all the way to the wrist of the character. While the lower body gives that's 3, 4, 5, all the way to the character's feet. So now, if I have any penetration in any part of this character during the course of animation, I can easily just go to the particular number and I'm going to fix whatever I want to fix. So let's go back to what we had initially. 0, 0. Okay, and I want to go back to the outfit 6. This was on 6, and here you have it. So if I have a longer outfit, fine. Now I have this outfit here on position 8 for the style. I can decide to hide the inner part of the character. So for the lower body, I can decide to go up. You see that? So I'm hiding everything inside the character's body. As a matter of fact, this way, I'm going to have a lighter scene. That's number 4 and number 5. So doing number 5 is going too far. So I just have to go back to 4. Yeah. So now I have my character. Okay. And that's it. So, but for the upper part of it, there's a limit to which I can go, because you can see the character is really not covered, especially the shoulder part. So I can't go beyond the first part, which is the torso. And maybe the torso might not even work for this character because there's a slit by the side. Can you see that slit by the side of the dress? So you're not supposed to mask anything if you have this outfit. But for the lower part of the character, you can still get away with masking up until number 4. So this is how you mask using AYMultiCharacter version 2.0.